Hello. Firstly, big thank you for your interest in Talisman. Really exciting to work with ambitious recruitment agencies or recruitment agencies who are really looking of ways of scaling their business, of ways to innovate within their business, and people who understand all of the potential of automation and having a really good process in order to scale your business. We believe very much in Talisman, in dashboards and automation. All of the rest of the foundations are fantastic. They will be able to support your business. But the layer and the cherry on top that will drive your business to the next level, we believe, is driving your users through dashboards and automating what you can automate. And Talisman is awesome at all of that. Okay. I wanted to give you a little bit of an overview of Talisman. So what I'll do is I'll open up this little PowerPoint that I've got here and just take you through it, just so you can see a little bit of background. So firstly, Talisman's been going for a while. So we've been going for over 40 years. We helped recruitment agencies back in the day move from paper processes to systems. A few of the really successful recruitment agencies that we worked with grew from maybe 10 users to 500 users. In fact, one of our customers has over 1,000 users on Talisman now. I joined the business 5 years ago, and the goal for me was to really take all of that magic dust and be able to offer it to everyone within the recruitment space. So not only the large enterprises. So over the course of the last 5 years, we've really made Talisman appealing to smaller businesses. We have changed the user interfaces. We have built on that really strong foundation in order to get the benefit of Talisman's technology available to all. Where are we now? Well, we have over 2,000 users on the system. We're not just a CRM. There's a lot to it. I'll take you through that in a second. But through one of our bits of software, say through the pay and bill, which is awesome for contract or perm or temp, and perm, obviously, processes around about 2 million timesheets a year. Our biggest customer actually on that processes 10,000 contractors a week through the pay and bill. So it's a really robust enterprise pay and bill. We make through the system, there are about 25,000 permanent placements logged every year. And we power agencies of up to £1 billion in turnover. So what makes us special? I think one of the key things that makes us special is the way that we think about product. So we think about building technology product as a benefit to you guys. So we actually, all our product vision is to make recruiters 5 times more effective. And we do that by freeing up 5 times the amount of time than you would with any other system. So we do that in 2 ways. So the first way is very much that we work on your most time-consuming user flows. So things like auto-formatting a CV or adding a candidate or adding from LinkedIn. All of those things, we've built really clever, time-efficient mechanisms of just doing in instance, rather than that time-consuming feeling of having to download things, upload things, format things. That can just waste your time as a recruiter. We've tried to make them super efficient. The next part is that we automate anything that can be automated. And because our technology platform is so big, that might mean we're automating sending out reminders to candidates. We're automating sending out even prospecting emails to prospects. We're automating follow-up emails straight away so you don't have to think about it. We're automating chasing the timesheets. We're automating confirming people are going into roles. So all of that side of things, those are the 2 ways that we break down in order to get you to 5x your performance. Now, that doesn't happen overnight. The way it works is we get you onto the Talisman platform. We've worked really hard with onboarding, but over time, what will happen is by constantly working together, we will chip away at your next biggest challenge until finally you're 5 times more effective than you were previously. Okay, so that's just how we approach things at Talisman. So who are our customers? We've got a big variety of customers, and there are the super large agencies like Mawson, the 7th biggest recruiter in the country, I think the top engineering recruiter in the UK. We've got companies like the Engage Group in London, and they're all different industries actually. So we have engineering, we have healthcare, we have industrial, we have even temp, contract and perm. What makes Talisman really special is we got really great places for all of those industries and all of those styles of recruitment to just store straight on the system. But I think the special thing is, the common thread between all of our customers is they think very much in that process-centered way, where they're thinking, how can I build my business in mechanically so it's actually going to scale or it's going to make us more profitable? So those are the 2 ways of thinking about it. And Because Talisman is so broad and it has so many different aspects to it, there will always be a place on Talisman that you can store your data. You don't need these silly side spreadsheets that a lot of people use in recruitment. So a huge benefit is that you don't need any of those side spreadsheets anymore. All of that can be stored on Talisman. What does that mean? It means you can dashboard it and you can automate it if you're so inclined in the future. And that's what we're here to support you on, to really scale your business. Okay. So there's a lot to Talisman. There's CRM, recruitment marketing, pay and bill, credit control. There's a lot to it. There's automation, dashboarding. There's a lot to it. But the way we work with you, I think, is quite special as well. We look at what you need as a business, and we will support you on the elements of Talisman you need at that time in order to build it into that long-term relationship where eventually, over time, you might be using 90% of Talisman, fantastic, but we're working with you with your objective and your priority. So is it that your people are wasting time formatting CVs? Right, we'll train on that first and we'll implement that first with you. Is it that you're spending all your time chasing missing timesheets? Is it you're spending all your time, getting emails to send an email and send a follow-up? Or we'll work on that problem with you. We'll work on whatever your problem is with our tech, and our tech is really cool at addressing those problems. And over time, you, like the rest of our customers, will end up being 5 times more efficient, and you'll end up hopefully dominating your market. That's what we want, and we look forward to supporting you in the future. Cool.